Emily, do you Photoshop?
I do Photoshop, and I don't care.
Alright, so what's the first thing you do?
Oh dog ass, oh stupid ass, oh flunk ass, oh group ass, oh stank ass, oh. You getting on my nerves, you a dog ass. You getting on my nerves, you a stupid ass. You getting on my nerves, you a flunky ass. You getting on my nerves, you a stanky ass. You wanna be a dog ass? You wanna be a stupid ass? No. You wanna be a flunky ass? Nah. You wanna be a wretched ass? Look, don't get on my nerves. Okay. Don't push me off the curb.
What's guys, this guy's RichBoyTroy. I'm back on a banger, and today Emily's gonna teach us how to freaking Photoshop, son. Shoot, everybody wanna freaking know. Shoot, I wanna know. I know you probably wanna know. Shoot, right after this video, you probably finish go on your phone, freaking Photoshop you up in a little picture, post it on Instagram. Yeah, I already know, cause y'all been trying to freaking know the sauce. Y'all been trying to know the sauce, so we gonna give you the sauce, alright? We gonna give you the freaking sauce. Y'all know, man. I know y'all all wanna know what the freak it is. I know y'all wanna know the recipe, the drip recipe, but y'all stay tuned and y'all gonna get it. Alright, just wait, okay? Just wait. Watch the video and you'll see. So stay tuned. It's finna get turned. Alright guys, so look bruh, first off, we don't even know if Emily even really Photoshops, y'all, alright? Yeah, we really don't know. So we gonna go ask her to get like real information. Like we don't know until we get the facts. So let's go ask her. Okay. Emily, do you Photoshop?
Why are you asking me that, Troy?
What you mean why I'm asking you that?
You always trying to bring stuff up that's negative.
I'm not bringing stuff up that's negative. The people just want to know. Say it. Don't y'all want to know?
You can't entertain them.
They been trolling you bad.
Yeah.
Acting like some fools, like stupid. Like, why is y'all doing that, man? Why is y'all doing that?
And TikTok, they said I look like the trolls, but the trolls cute, so I don't care.
Exactly.
But yeah, I do Photoshop, and I don't care. Your light turned off.
She do Photoshop. What the freak? Bruh.
But I'm still thinking real life.
Emily just said that she freaking Photoshops. What the freak? What the freak is this world coming to? Emily just said that she Photoshops. Alright, so you already know. These fools, they want to know the freaking drip. They want to know the sauce. So, would you give them the drip recipe and be nice to them? Because they gonna be like, they really want to know. They want to know the sauce.
They was talking about me?
Yeah, because you know they want to freaking Photoshop their pictures too. They just mad because they can't do it.
Like me?
Yeah, they just mad. Y'all mad because y'all can't Photoshop y'all pictures. Shoot. Yeah, they don't know how. So look, we gonna give you, we nice enough to give you the recipe. She could have been like, no, we ain't gonna do it. But guess what? She's nice enough to give it to y'all. So
yeah. So y'all better be happy.
yeah, watch. Everybody finna start Photoshopping now.
I know.
They just love this. They love this.
Do a little back tuck here.
Alright, so y'all stay tuned. Emily's finna give us the Photoshopping one-on-one class. So y'all stay tuned.
It's finna get turned. What you doing?
Y'all stay tuned. It's finna get turned. Alright, so what's the first thing you do?
You gotta get your phone.
Okay, we got a phone.
And you gotta unlock it, boy.
Alright, now what?
You gotta go to App Store. And go to...
No. Okay, I want my picture to look like yours, man. I want my picture to look like
Exactly,
yours.
you gotta
I want to look like you, man.
You gotta download the app, boy.
You know these girls be want to look like you.
So then you gotta go to booty.
Booty? This is stupid, man.
There you go. Booty. Hold on.
No, we on screen recording.
Okay. It's called, Booty Tune.
Are you serious? This is what the magic is? Booty tune?
Yeah. But
Let's get it.
I know a few of your girls that you be talking to that use this app too.
Shoot, they probably do. I don't put it past them.
Emily.
We downloading.
No shame in my game.
Look, y'all go freaking put in the comment section, say thank you, Emily. Thank you for this. Oh my gosh, you could reshape, take the spots away, put tattoos on.
I mean, I had fake tattoos, but I never had put it. I did do that. I'm tripping. I did. Why you look like that?
Let me see what we working with. Alright. Let me try for my first time. What the freak?
Why you said that? Do you know what you're doing?
Oh,
Let me see. Hold up. Tap to see.
I don't get this crap. So how long you been photoshopping?
Since I was 11.
Dang, so you must be a pro at this crap. So
I was playing that since I was 11.
Wait, no, so when
I was on
since-
Instagram when I was 11.
since you was 11, did the apps like do any developing? Like, did they change over time, or did you just freaking keep the same one?
No, I just keep the same one. But look, this was. I'm not doing that. Enchantment. Oh, this the one. Okay, so you see this? So you see the little spot right there? Let me go this. Make it a little bigger. So then, but my hips they were already like that.
Wait, let me see this.
So you gotta wait. You see the little hole? The little circle? You gotta go right here and move the line. Wait. You see it? You see it? It made it smaller. Oh Lord, this boy about to go crazy. He did it! He did it! What the freak?
I'm a pro already. Maybe it runs through the veins.
That boy did it. Look. He did it. He fits my arm. You got my arm looking like freaking.
For real. It look like you got a strong arm, then it gets tiny right there.
Let me see that.
Yeah, fix that. Put your magic to that crap.
He said, look, I got the 18 looking. Yeah. Skin color. Ooh, that is not my skin color. I'm tripping. Dang. Wait. Let me see. I'm like a caramel color. This how I look before.
No, it didn't.
That is how I look before.
No, your arm don't look like that.
No, son. I'm saying like, this how it looked before. Wait, hold on.
I'm about to say you need to get that checked out.
Yeah, my arm really look like that.
No, you need to fix this crap. Oh, you gotta pay $20-something. You still ain't pay that money, huh?
They taking my money. They Fashion Nova can have my coins.
Fool. Okay, how do I do this? How do I make your arm go big?
You just made it look white, man.
Skinny waist, pretty face with a big bang. How you hating on my? How you hating on me in my mama age? Look, she's getting focused.
Look.
No sir. How you hating on my mama age? Alright guys, so look bro, there it goes. Don't ask no more.
Don't ask no more. Don't ask no more.
Yeah, don't be asking no more, cause we gave you the secrets, man.
And y'all can stop trying to come for me, cause you acting like I'm ashamed of this, but I'm not ashamed.
Purr.
Boy said,
But yeah, stop playing, man. We don't give a flying frick. But y'all stay tuned for more content. Turn on the post notification bell. And yeah, y'all let me know if this helped y'all out. You know? But I'm out.
call me.